Distinguished guests and colleagues, thank you for inviting me to this significant event. As the chair of the Technical Committee for Transdisciplinary Approach to Disaster Risk Reduction and the Asian Civil Engineering Coordinating Council, I'm honored to share some reflections with you today. 20 years ago, the Indian Ocean tsunami claimed over 200,000 lives in one of our history's most devastating natural disasters. This catastrophic event became a turning point in how our global society approaches disaster risk reduction, catalyzing unprecedented efforts at all levels to prevent such tragedies from recurring. At the international level, the response was swift. Just 1 month after the tsunami, at the UN World Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction in Kobe, member states adopted the Hyogo Framework for Action. This landmark agreement lays the foundation for its successor, the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction, adopted in 2015. These frameworks have fundamentally transformed our global approach to disaster resilience. At the national level, affected countries demonstrated remarkable resolve. Nations like Indonesia and Sri Lanka established disaster management agencies, developing comprehensive policies and implementing strategic countermeasures to mitigate future disaster impacts. These institutional reforms have strengthened their capacity to protect their citizens and infrastructure. The transformation at the community level has been equally profound. I witnessed this during my visit to Chile following the 2010 tsunami. Local residents had internalized the lessons from the Indian Ocean tsunami through the widely circulated videos of its devastation. When earthquake shaking struck, they immediately evacuated to higher grounds, demonstrating how knowledge sharing can save lives across continents. The catastrophe also changed many of our personal paths, including my own. In 2005, I decided to leave my position as the Infrastructure Ministry to join JICA, driven by a deep commitment to contribute to disaster risk reduction efforts worldwide. As we mark this 20th anniversary, we face new and emerging challenges. Climate change is intensifying natural hazards, while rapid urbanization and demographic shifts are creating new vulnerabilities. Our socio-economic landscape is evolving, demanding innovative approaches to disaster risk reduction. These challenges call for transdisciplinary approaches with renewed commitment and enhanced collaboration. The lessons we learned from the Indian Ocean tsunami remain relevant, but we must adapt them to address contemporary threats. I look forward to working alongside all of you here today as we continue our virtual mission of protecting communities and saving lives. Together, we can honor the memory of those we lost by creating a safer future for generations to come. Thank you very much.